I'm gonna show you how to correctly test the flatness of the cylinder head. This is F9Q engine. This is a Renault engine, 1.9 DCI. Of course, you can apply this technique to all the engines, but obviously we've got the spec for this F9Q head. So the spec for this flatness test is 0.05. You want to have a perfectly straight edge, so you want to place it across the head, and then you want to use this 0.05 feeler gauge and try and insert it underneath. Now if it doesn't go through, happy days, great news, you've got a flat head. If your head is warped, this is gonna go in at some point somewhere. This is 0.02. I bet I'm probably gonna find space here between the valves. Yeah, it will go under, but it will not go completely through. It will go a bit more here, but again, not completely through. This side here, it went completely through. So this is what you don't want to have with anything above 0.05. So hopefully this makes sense. You can insert up to 0.05, but you don't want to have any more than that. And I tried with my feeler gauges, so in some places I can fit 0.03 and in some places 0.04, but definitely not 0.05, not even the tip of it. So this is a good way to check the flatness of your head. Obviously you can move this across, you can do it on this side. If you don't have valves in place, you can do it diagonally, do it a few different ways, but you get the gist. So this is the idea, and this is how we identify a good, clean, straight head.